Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to download KineMaster on Android and iPhone. KineMaster is a very popular video editing app and it's easy to use. Let's get started. First, unlock your phone. Now open the Play Store or App Store. At the bottom, you will see a search bar. Type KineMaster and tap the search button. Now tap the install button. Wait a few seconds while the app downloads. Once it's done, tap open and make sure you have good internet connection. And that's it. That's all for today's video, guys. If you found this video helpful, drop a like and subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.